Ambition, un film d'action réalisé par Michelet Paul, bientôt à l'écran.
What is that? Mr. Badu, turn that phone off. One moment.
Un jeune étudiant qui se laisse emporter par la facilité des biens matériels et devient un danger criminel.
That I wanna be seen with, like your little face and the way that your jeans fit. No, it ain't a secret, but I'm gonna shine.
I got you out of school. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna disrespect me like that, dude? For real, man. Because of me, you shining, dude. For real. How you gonna disrespect me, dude? I mean, what's up with you? Explain to me. What's good? What's really good?
I'm gonna tell you what's good.
Yeah.
Like I said, one more time. I'm gonna tell you one more time, Q. You're my nigga, you understand? The only way I'm gonna teach you to speak my language. You have to bring my guns every day and come in my house and clean my yard every single time that I need it to. Okay? And then maybe you might know how to say sac passé. Sac passé na boule. Say sac passé na boule.
Sac passé?
See, now tomorrow you owe me to clean my yard tomorrow morning.
Nah, man.
Come clean my yard tomorrow morning.
No. I need to fuck up now.
Un dangereux, social. C'est Jeff. Un type qui n'a rien à perdre, sans pitié, qui sème la terreur à travers la communauté du village.
Yo, sit down right here. Come on, right here. You know what I mean? Yo, pissed off right now, yo. Why you crying in front of everybody? Yo, listen, let me tell you. Nah, dude, come on.
Cuba, I'm doing for everybody. You understand what I'm saying? You understand? My people in Haiti.
Yo, I understand. But you know what? Give me a couple of more $1 million. And when you all set, you go back to Haiti, and you can call me from Haiti, and then we can talk to each other. But right now, alright? Hear me, look at my face.
just like it's a Mardi Gras. Y'all know just how we do. Mommy, let me get a little cut or two. I'm feeling you, we need to hang. But like a subwoofer, pop that thing. What's your name first? What's your drink? Bounce with me, let's do it in sync.